y'all? So I know it's been a while since the last video that I posted. I think it was like 8-9 months ago. It's been a while. I decided to pick up the camera because I'll show you guys later the reason why I decided to pick up the camera and just start vlogging. So I'm just gonna make some breakfast. I'm in a new environment from the last time you guys seen me in my last video. If you don't follow me on Instagram, because that's where I post the most. I post on Instagram the most. I don't really post on TikTok. My main platform that I post on is my Instagram. If you want to see like any updates on what's been going on with my life, Instagram is the place for y'all to be following me on, because that's where I post pretty much everything on my Instagram page. I stole this hot chocolate from my sister because I was at her house yesterday and I was like, let me steal this. So sis, if you're watching this video, I stole a hot chocolate from your cabinet because I was craving hot chocolate. The only thing is I don't have any milk, so I gotta make it with water. Hot chocolate tastes better with milk, like with almond milk or oat milk. But I'm just gonna see what I got. Let's put the eggs out. I barely have any milk left in here, like a drip of milk left in here. I do DoorDash, but the guy didn't, for some reason, he wasn't able to find any almond milk, which I feel like he was just lazy and he didn't do his job. This brand of almond milk is always in the grocery store, so I know he was lying about that. Sir, you was lying. Scrambled eggs with a bagel with butter. And I have, actually, should I mix? Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna mix this, hold on. My sister is the one that put me on. She mixes the French vanilla with hot chocolate. It's my go-to drink whenever I go to Tim Hortons. That's what I get. Vanilla, the French vanilla mixed with the hot chocolate. So good. Y'all need to try it out. It's so good. So I'm gonna try that now. Even though I don't have a lot of milk left, I'm still gonna have to use more water than milk, but that's fine. We're gonna figure it out. One thing about me, the reason why I take longer in the kitchen, because my food was done a long time ago, but one thing about me is like I like to clean as I cook. Like I hate cooking in a dirty environment and I hate leaving dishes behind. Like I like to wash my dishes out as I'm cooking. So a lot of people, oh, they say, oh, I don't like doing dishes, oh, this and that, and then they end up having a bunch of dishes because they don't wash their dishes out as they cook, or like when they're done eating, they don't wash it out. So me, as soon as I'm done eating, as soon as I'm done cooking, you're not gonna see not one dish from me. The sink is gonna be clean. So yeah, that's what I do. This is my breakfast: 2 everything bagels and 2 eggs. And then I got my half hot chocolate, half French vanilla right here. Let's see how it tastes. Okay. It actually tastes pretty good. If you guys hear like a really loud noise, they're doing construction right in my backyard. I live in a new neighborhood, so there's lots of construction going on where they're building a bunch of new houses. Yo, my eyebrows been pissing me off lately. I feel like this eyebrow has more hair than this eyebrow, so like I have to overdraw this eyebrow, but then I never get it even. I never get it to look even, so it just looks crazy. But wanted to know like what I've been up to lately. Just life been lifing. I left Jamaica, what has been 9 months ago, 10 months ago, and I've been in Calgary ever since, and I plan on living here permanently. Like, I love it here. I love the people here. I love the environment. Yeah, and it's just like a breath of fresh air. Like, for me, if I had to choose between living in Calgary and Toronto, I would definitely choose Calgary any day. And the reason why is because it's a newly developed area that I'm in, and everything is fresh, everything is new. And I just feel like Toronto is overpopulated. Like, there's a lot of people, and my sister is here, my nephews, my niece, and that's all I need. Like, my younger sister is there in Toronto right now, and I'm happy here. I feel like I made a great choice moving here. I have no regrets whatsoever. So, and I started my business here. I feel like there's a lot of good things that's been happening for me since I've been here. So I'm grateful, I'm blessed, no complaints. This is the reason why I started back vlogging, back on my YouTube channel because, drum roll, I got my new baby. I got the MacBook Air M4 in the color sky blue. Isn't she gorgeous? Y'all can see, but she's so pretty, so sleek, so beautiful. So I decided to treat myself and get a brand new MacBook. Can do a lot more things on this because right now I'm currently using an iPad. What I've been using this whole time is this iPad that you see a bunch of kids have. So I just felt like I needed an upgrade. I just needed an upgrade because I need to handle all my emails on here the right way. I can edit my website, do all of my orders on here. So I'm happy that I got it, and yeah, like now I can edit all my videos. The reason why I stopped vlogging, well, this is the main reason why, is because on all my devices, like on my phone, on my iPad, like I had no space to like edit any videos. I kept having to delete videos, and it was a lot, like, to get more space on my iPad or on my phone. So now, since this has like 256 gigabytes, I don't have to worry about space anymore. Like, but yeah, I also got a clear case to protect my MacBook because, for one, I'm very clumsy and like I don't want no scratches, I don't want no dents. I need it for sure. I might put it on later today, but I feel like since I'm home and I'm not really like outside like that, I don't have to use it yet. And then I got this cute sleeve so that whenever I travel, I can throw this in my purse. Also comes with a little cute pouch where I put my charger in here. And I also got this USB port. This USB port is really needed when you have your MacBook Air because the MacBook Pro comes with different slots, but the MacBook Air only has like the charger plug, and it has the two USB ports you can plug in. So this right here is good to have. That way you can plug in your memory card can go in here, all of your USBs can go in here all at once. This right here is really needed for your MacBook Air. I would highly recommend buying this. I got it on Amazon for like $10, and like they have different colors. And I love the fact that the new chargers, like, it's not like how the old ones look. It comes like, it's like a harder material. That way it protects the charger from like breaking. Or it actually matches the color of the MacBook. It's like a grayish sky blue color. And yeah, it's really cute. Like, I'm so happy, I'm so excited. And yeah, this is the little adapter to plug it in. Yeah, I just feel like my life is complete now because I really needed a new computer, like really bad. Like, I couldn't continue working on this little itty bitty iPad. Like, it wasn't working out for me. Like, I need a big girl computer and do everything the right way. So I'm excited to do everything on my MacBook. And yeah, it's a really good investment, especially if you're in college, if you have a business. And this MacBook will last me, as long as I take good care of it, it will last me forever. So I'm really excited about that. I'm gonna personalize my MacBook with you guys and show you guys the final results of how I set it up, all cutesy and all that. Do a little workout later on today. And that's about it. I don't have any friends out here. My best friend, she's in Toronto, and then my other close friend, she's in Ghana. So like, I don't really have any like girlfriends out here. I only have my sister. Like, me and my sister were obviously best friends, but she has her own crew, her own set of friends. I don't have any friends that I can be like, oh, what's up, where you at, let's go out, you know? At least my sister has that. So I don't really have that one friend I can call and we can just go out and get lunch or dinner or go out to a party or whatever. I feel like for me, it's easy to make friends, but I feel like it's easy for anybody to make friends, but you just have to stay consistent. I feel like I'm always the one that's reaching out, and then the other person isn't putting that much effort into the friendship. So then that's where the friendship just disappears, because it's like, you can't be like, I can't be the only person putting an effort into this friendship. Like, it goes both ways. So it's like, if you want to be friends with me, we both have to put in the effort, the work, you know, to build that friendship. So it's like, I feel like that's why me and my best friend, we're still friends till this day. Like, we know each other. Like, we've been friends for like since high school. So it's like, even if I don't hear from her, like, I know that she's good and she knows that I'm good. Like, we don't talk every single day. We have that really strong friendship. Like, whenever we link up, it's always a good time. And then you have to build that bond and that friendship, and sometimes it could take years to get to know that person and to trust that person. So there's a lot of factors when it comes to making new friends. Let's personalize this MacBook. So as y'all can see, this is the original wallpaper that it comes with, and I need to figure out how to put on some cute widgets in this corner, make the screen, make my computer more personalized to my liking. I learned this feature on here. It's called the Stage Manager. So I'm going to turn this on because I can have multiple things open at once. I'm going to open this. You see how everything is going to the side? I can go like that. I can open up what I want. It's pretty cute. So now I logged into my Pinterest. So now I'm gonna try to find something cute for my background. I'm gonna find like a color palette that goes well with the sky blue. So I'm gonna do sky blue, and maybe, I know gold is really nice with sky blue, khaki, browns. So I'm gonna go with that kind of theme. I'm just gonna mess around and see what I can find for now, and then I can always change it if I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm having a hard time finding like really cute. I mean, they have a lot of cute wallpapers on Pinterest, but they're not like 4K. So I don't think I showed you guys the final results of the background that I chose and the cute little widgets that I decided to go with. It's so cute. So I have right here, I have the time, and I have this cute, I have this gold silk blanket, and then I have this cute little bear. He's on his MacBook, and he fell asleep at his computer desk. And this cute little widget has a heart, a phone, an ice cream, a camera, a clock, headphones, a lip gloss, you know, just a bunch of little cute stuff. And then I got this star right here. I got this cheetah print, a clock. I got the weather right here. And then I have this cute confetti. I got this cute confetti. You can click it. And then, isn't that cute? It's adorable. I got that. So I used, how I did all of this, I'm using, what's it called? It's called Widget Wall. So that's how I got all these cute widgets on here. I turned my folders into stars. So let me show y'all. I got my important files right here, my shampoo bars, my widgets, wallpapers, thumbnails, and my YouTube videos that I put in there. Pasta in. Made this one other time. I'm missing, like, I wish I had spinach. I have broccoli, but I'm not gonna put that in here. Yeah, so after the pasta is cooked, I just have to add the cheese, and voila, there's your soup lasagna. Delicious. So this is how it's looking so far. The pasta's pretty much cooked. I just have to add the cheese. Let that simmer in there. Should add more, but I have another bag of cheese if anything. I'm gonna add a little bit more cheese because yeah, we like cheese. And yeah, you can eat this with bread or you can eat it by itself. And that's about it. Get all the soup out. Get the pasta out. And yeah, bon appetit. Look how good that looks.